In this tutorial, we will see how to update the firmware of a smart device. To get started, power up the device and connect it to the PC with the USB cable. So, we connect the USB cable to the PC. After installing the UVIX software, start the USB gateway, which handles messages between USB connected devices and the FEP. This is a component that must be started manually and is not used for connections other than USB. We select the USB port of the device we want to update. In the top bar we open Tools and then Update Device Firmware. So, we select the USB port and check the current version. Using the Select Fail button, we load the firmware. We confirm with Start Update. Successful loading will cause the device to restart, which is done by clicking Yes, and then OK. The system LED goes off from red, then flashes green. You can also see that the firmware version is the updated one.